For our product FC20, there are battery, dust cup, tube, and floor brush. And now I will assemble for everyone. And the first part is our battery can be removed separately. The battery. For our cup, please pay attention to purchase this button and rotate the cup upright like this. This is our motto. And for the cup, we add the metal filter to keep the dirt in that cup. And inside we use HEPA filter, or HEPA we use is FC20 medical grade HEPA.
That's absolutely.
And the next is our tube. Please operate like this. And the final part is our floor brush. Cover can be removed very easily and without the brush ruler, and it can be cleaned very easily and convenient. And this is all parts of this machine FC20. Now I will show you how to assemble this machine. And first,
That's
we
absolutely.
take it to the brush like this and press it. And press this button.
That's absolutely.
And the next is our tube. With our motor, first please push it HEPA into the metal filter and rotate the HEPA to lock it.
This kind of.
And then the next, purchase this button.
That's absolutely.
Rotate, locks it. And finally, we push this button with the battery. It's very easy to operate it. And now I will show you how to operate it our product FC20, and let's see how to clean our house effectively. Here, please press it to turn on the machine. And here, this is the button to select the power. Now, we are ready to clean the wall floor. We clean the package. Okay, now follow me. Let me show you how to clean the dust cup. Please pay attention to this part. Please move this one and rotate the cup. Take it out. It's really easy to print. It's my pleasure to introduce FC20 for you. Hope you are interested in our product. Thank you.